Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm starting the Sam's Bead Box subscription again, the monthly subscription. I think it's been like 3 years since I've started receiving it. And I really miss their beads. I've been watching their videos, and so I'm excited to start this again. So here we have the June 2026 Mermaid's Cove. I do have a coupon code VIP5 for $5 off your first subscription with them. So let's see what this is. So it says Mermaid's Cove. Beneath the glow of a full moon, a pod of mermaids gather in an unsea cove. A ceremonial circle of shells surround a young mermaid named Nabolia. For tonight, she will be crowned queen and entrusted as guardian of her family's reef. She spent years learning the rhythms and tides, how to tend to her kelp forests, and delicate harmony of the marine world around her. Merfolk and dolphins join in song as Nabolia accepts a crown woven from seagrass, coral, and abalone. The song radiates a sense of hope as it carries from the cove for the mermaids and sea creatures alike. They are in good hands. Okay, it says our Mermaid's Cove box is inspired by the beauty and mystery of the underwater paradise. Aqua and teal blues are balanced by coral-kissed pink and glowing amber tones. Iridescent check glass mirrors the shifting shimmer of a mermaid's tail. Ooh, that sounds really pretty. While lamprey coins, ceramic scallop shells, and ocean-inspired charms bring our cove to life. Each box includes a one-of-a-kind abalone pendant, hand-sorted by Sam, and a full strand of multi-fluorite rounds. We hope opening this collection feels like discovering a chest of sea treasures fit for a mermaid queen. Sam and Rachel. So I'm really excited. So let's see. And they always give us a few pieces of candy. It's usually the Werthers from what I remember. Let me move this over here. I feel like a little kid at Christmas. Oh, okay. They did not disappoint again this month. Wow. Okay, I'm going to bust this open like a kid on Christmas morning. Whoa. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cool. Made in Greece. Oh, that's where my family's from. My mom's family's from Greece. I'm half Greek. Oh, look at these. Oh, and it goes right through the top like that. Oh, yes. Oh, I have missed you. Look at these gorgeous. Oh, okay, let me get everything situated. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with this gorgeous Rondell Teal Waves Mix 6x8 millimeters to 16 strand. Oh, how I've missed their beads. I'm taking a break from Dollar Bead Box for a couple months, but now, you know what? I'm missing them too, so I might go back to it and just do all the bead boxes. So, yeah, this month I won't be doing it, but I'm going to rejoin it again. So just so you know, for my Dollar Bead Box lovers, yeah. So this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love all the striations in it. This is gorgeous. This is a Twisted Barrel Golden Pink Luster Mix 5x9 millimeter 12-piece strand. I like to turn it like this so you can kind of really see the... These are gorgeous. I love that golden glow on there. The pink, and it's kind of a little bit of it's like a pinkish purple almost tone to it. But it's beautiful. Okay, and next, this is gorgeous too. Orange Glow AB fire polish round 4mm 40-inch strand, a 40-piece strand. I mean, these are. I don't know if you can hear our garbage guys outside. It's Friday morning, so. Oh, look how pretty that is! Look at that glistening in the in the beads. I can't wait to work with this box. Okay, so there's that one. These are gorgeous. These are diamond front drill lavender sunset mix 12 by 14mm 15-piece strand. So as you can see, that's the diamond, and each one is a little bit different. There's kind of like a little bit of like a lemon golden look to some of them, and then there's white, then there's the lavender. They're really pretty. And next, oval front drilled teal opal mix 8.5 by 11.5 20-piece strand. So that is what it looks like. So it's got the up at the front. I love making dangles with these. Very pretty. And next we have a round teal and honey amber 10mm 12-piece strand. These are huge. Faceted. Get those colors in there. Be pretty around the wrist like that. And next we have a multi-fluorite smooth round 7 to 8mm 14.5-inch strand. Fluorite's so pretty. It's a beautiful gemstone. You get like little bit of amber in there. You get the purple. You get the teal green. Little bit of a pinkish white. It's a beautiful mix of colors in this. It's heavy too. And next we have Sky Apatite chips, mostly 4 to 8mm 9.5-inch strand. These are pretty gemstones too. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited to get this box. Wait till you see the other stuff in there. And then next is a fish crystal magenta gold 5.5 to 10mm 15-piece strand. So I'm going to try and hold this up so you can see these little fish. They have like a glistening on them, like a shimmer. Each one's just a teeny bit different. Oh. It's like a pinkish, like a honey gold kind of like shimmer on there on AB. Really pretty. Okay, now we're getting to the goodies. This is a Mermaid Matte Crystal Gold AB 8 by 26mm 2-piece set. The hole goes through the top. Check out. So this is the front. And this is the back. Look at that. How cute is that? You could do little mermaid earrings. So it's etched all the way around. So if you use them for earrings and you wear them, no matter how they turn, they have that look to them. You could see. These are so cute. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is an abalone freeform pendant front drilled white shell backing 1 piece. So here's where the hole is, right there. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. And this is the back. Oh, how pretty. Look at all that. Oh, it reminds me kind of the ocean. It really does. I don't know if you've ever been when I look for shells, when I live close to Siesta Key, and you go shell hunting, and some of the shells, when you pick them up, they have this little bit of glistening in them inside of the inside of the shell. It's really pretty. This is gorgeous. And next, we have lampwork puff coins in teal crystal, 20 millimeter 3-piece set. And the hole goes through the top there. Look at these. These are so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And next, when you think you can't get anything pretty enough, the scallop shell focal ceramic speckled red and pink tan 26 by 28.5 millimeter 2-piece set. So the hole goes through the top. So this is, look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. These make beautiful pendants. My creative juices are flowing. Watch, I'm just unboxing this. I'm going to be busy all week and in my bead room creating. So you need to stay tuned for this. And next are Druck Rounds Magenta White Silk Mix 6 millimeter 35 pieces. These are so pretty. I don't know if you can, let me put them in my hands. You can see they have that little bit of a white in the center. Oh, come here. Have that little bit of a white in the center. Oh, so pretty. And that deep berry color as well. Okay, and next our Fire Polish Faceted Long Drops Fuchsia Silver Luster 8.5 by 20 millimeter 2-piece set, and the hole goes through there. I love these. I love using these for, in addition to a pendant or an earring, or you could even use these if you make like a charm bracelet. You could put a head pin through there and make a little dangle with these. There's a lot you can do with these, but I love the shape. They create such interest. And then next we have these gorgeous Fire Polish Faceted Barrel Teal and 6 by 8 millimeters, 7.8 grams, 25 pieces. These speak for themselves. You can just look at them and know. I love the teal with the pinks and the golds and the purple. This is a beautiful curated box. They always do such a good job. So you have those. Then these beautiful square teal 6 millimeter 32 piece. So the holes down the middle. These make nice little charms too as well, or like for earrings or just spacers in a necklace. I love all the different shapes they have in this box. And next we have the Trillium Flower Champagne 9 millimeter 16 pieces. Oh, I love these. Got these different, I just love the coating on them. If you could see it, I'm kind of moving my hand so you can see the little grooves in there. And then this gorgeous Fire Polish Faceted Rose Crown Topaz 6 millimeter 25 pieces. This is beautiful. They're kind of, this isn't tied, so I'm kind of holding on to it like this. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. These are so pretty. Okay, and last but not least, we have, let's see, we start with a mermaid ring pendant. Look how pretty that is. This is in the last bag. Mermaid ring pendant, 28 by 30 millimeter, 1 piece. These are made in Greece, lead-free. So we've got this. Then we got scallop shell links. These are gorgeous, 19 by 23.5 millimeter. So that's the back, and this is the front. Gorgeous. And then we have coral charms. There's 2 pieces, 9.5 by 16.5. So the holes up there on that one, and then that one. This is such, oh, I can't wait to start working with this box. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Mermaid's Cove for June 2026 for Sam's Bead Box. Like I said, I have a coupon code VIP5 for $5 off your first subscription with them. And I will leave links to everything below, and also links to all of my social media as well, in my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry that I make. And if you should subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you could swipe my video in the comments, that really gives my video a boost as well. So I thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because there'll be lots of creating going on. So have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.